Wander open roads with us to Virginia's beautiful Skyline Drive.
Hi, it's Miko.
And Robin.
And we're
Wander Open Roads. So we were traveling up 81 going toward DC and thought that it would be a nice opportunity to make a pit stop for a few days. And we did in Front Royal, Virginia. And that gave us an opportunity to go and ride the Skyline Drive, which is a 105-mile road that runs the entire length of the Shenandoah National Park in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. And it is a beautiful ride.
I agree. This was definitely a very pretty and scenic drive. I do need to mention that there is a cost to ride on this parkway. We paid $25, but that actually gives you access for 7 days. Also, you should try to ride on this parkway during the week so it would be less traffic, because in the fall and on the weekends it really gets pretty congested.
Yeah, it was really nice to be able to just kind of ride. There was very little to no traffic on the road, so we really didn't have to slow down. We could just ride. The road was built in 1931 by the Civilian Conservation Corps and has 75 beautiful overlooks of the valley below. There are numerous roads that access different campgrounds in the Shenandoah National Park, and there's also access to the Appalachian Trail, which runs parallel to the road. So we camped at Skyline Ranch Resort. It's very convenient, only about 15 minutes from the entrance to Skyline Drive. The park actually had quite a few amenities.
Yeah, I mean, the pool area actually was really nice, and they did have an area that housed horses, so I'm assuming that they had horseback riding.
Yes, and they also had some cottages there, kind of neat looking places to stay if you didn't have your rig. I think this area was pretty popular with people that came there for hunting, as well as people riding bikes. But one thing that I will say, and one of the problems that we did have with this location, they had some type of water issue. We had to actually buy bottled water and drink bottled water during the time that we stayed there. So that's definitely an issue.
Yeah, the water had sort of a fishy smell.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, no bueno. So thank you so much for joining us.
And if you're new to our channel, be sure to like and subscribe.
Absolutely. Bye.
Be sure to check out our selection of travel apparel at shopredsquare.com and our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description. Thank you.